The inspiration for the room came from the tile treatment. The color palette and then the stripe that runs from one side all the way over to the other was really our starting point. The colors are warm and they glow no matter the time of day. I'm Amanda Fowler, the style editor for Flower Magazine, and I worked with our homeowner, Centanni, on designing the laundry room. This past May, we were in London and we had the chance to stop by Liberty, and we met with all the girls there and discussed the ideas for the laundry room. We wanted it to feel warm and inviting, but also a space that was truly functional. So we went back to Liberty's roots and we used two of their great solids in the blush tones that really complement the colors in the tile. We also used the iconic Liberty floral. We used it on the Roman shade, but then also pulled in a pop when we were styling. The focal point of the room really is the window wall, where you get to see the tile treatment, the Liberty fabrics that are installed. We have a great Curry & Company pendant that's right there. Blackwell Botanicals loaned us some of their beautiful pieces. We also see some of the Sephora linens, this towel stack, and then the great stack of linen napkins. They're a favorite source. We envision styling the space as a cutting room filled with tons of flowers from the garden, anything you've picked up from your local nursery. Just a space to really get in there and create and pull together the textures and the shapes and whatever's in season. And to complete the space, we added a Serena and Lily runner, which looks fabulous. When exiting the laundry room, we also get to catch a glimpse of the vertical tile treatment, and beyond that, in the small vestibule, we have a great new mural from Liberty. Jill and Vincent have been great partners in this show house, and not only have they been a dream to work with, but they've also become friends. From taking pictures for us when we're out of town, details that we need, measurements at 7 o'clock at night, going over to their house and having gumbo when we're in town. They've been fabulous. We've loved working with them.